Now that Flamingo has been installed, it can now be set up with inputting the variables in the menu function. When Flamingo is powered on, it will momentarily show all LCD segments before showing the main screen. On the main screen, we can see the minutes of shower time available. On the right, there is a small tank icon showing the current temperature at the top and bottom of the tank. You will find two push buttons on the side of the device. The bottom push button, when single pressed, turns the tank icon on and off. The top push button, when single pressed, increments the user's showering temperature from hot, very hot, and extremely hot. The three lights on the side show the current selection. The amount of shower time available will change according to the selected showering temperature. To enter the menu function, long press the bottom push button. The first variable option is the orientation of the tank. Short pressing the top push button will toggle between a vertical standing tank or a horizontal lying tank. Press the bottom push button to move on to the next variable option, which is flow rate. Using the top push button, toggle to the flow rate value of the shower, as recorded when using the flow rate test bag. Pressing the bottom push button again will bring us to capacity selection. Toggle the value to reach the capacity of your hot water tank. Once capacity has been selected, we move to the month selection. And lastly, the day selection. Pressing the bottom push button again will take us out of the menu screen and back into the main screen. Now that the variables have been adjusted and saved, Flamingo will give us accurate results.